Let's go. That's a sad noise.
There she is. I've called her Blue Blizzard.
Now, minus an aux cable, black trims and a few dinks here and there, she's pretty much perfect. And I've already put her through her paces. I've driven from the bottom of the country to the top, and it was a challenge. We're in the bottom of the country because me and a few boys, we need a little holiday. We've not had a holiday in a while, so we went on down to Brighton. So for the last 10 days, myself and Aidan have both been isolating because we both stupidly caught COVID. Today is the day of freedom and we're going down to Brighton.
Oh, lad, let's land it.
We're going! We're going!
I don't have this energy, man.
Oh, lads, you need to get this, man. What is that?
That's not good, lads.
Lads, we're free! Oi, oi,
Need a glass of sake in my hand, right?
It's up there.
I don't care, where's the sake?
You twist the bottle, that's the tip. Right?
Shake it first.
No.
Yeah.
You're gonna get it.
Oh! Doing it here.
The most expensive
Some bubbles with your MacBook. Right, boys, I would like to make a toast.
I want a bit more in mine first.
Okay, we'll toast after these.
Yeah, I don't want to drink.
Right, okay, so to good times, to long times, and to all time.
Big up. Oh, it's nothing like a good bit of sake, lads, that you can't taste, lads.
He's thirsty, man.
Lad, he was on his last legs.
Not anymore. Bees are our friends.
What? Yeah, a big one. Flapping it.
Alright, man.
Come on, you pop the other one, I want to do this
You
one.
want to do this one?
Boys, pass me your glasses. To relaunching the vlog.
relaunching the vlog, let's get it.
Corey?
Well, I will have some good news in November when I finish my grad
To
scheme.
good news in November.
Good news in November. Distilled, bottled in Russia, lads. JJ Whitley, my guy. I can't smell it.
You might have COVID.
I might have
Hey, you want loads of chicken, lad?
Yeah, I want quite a bit of chicken, lads. Yeah, I need to eat loads of chicken, man.
Why?
I'm sorry, Wilco. I'm sinning right now.
Neck it.
This
One
is-
shot.
no,
One shot.
No. No. Lad.
Lad, for the vlog.
No, not a full send. No.
Paul. Paul.
Yeah, lad, I am Paul.
He's Paul.
He-
Do we need to slap his cock with a
Yes! Lads, wait, Aid, come on, that wasn't very I'll do it for the vlog. Like,
you
esque.
do it for the vlog, lads.
You want your ground turmeric, don't you, Matt? Eh?
Fair enough, man. That was alright.
And I'm not even feeling that.
That was alright, that lad. Fair dues. Yeah, what time is it? It's 1:30 in the afternoon.
You want any cheese in your apps?
Lads,
Yes, please.
Yes, please, man.
I would like some cheese.
Wow!
Oh my god,
God.
lad, big up, lads. I can't wrap that.
I'm not a liability!
I didn't mean to pour this much, lad. That's like half.
Lad,
It'll be alright, lad.
that's a quadruple.
Lad, we'll just sip it, lads. Well, I mean, you've got a bit less now. Man is liquored. We do need to land Jerusalem. There's no Aidan Paul here right now. Lads, I hate playing chess against you, lads. It's just annoying, man. And Bale Mozart as well.
You're the one that requested Mozart.
Oh yeah, it did, yeah. Mozart, yeah, he does go off like, I just want to be winning, man.
So, new location. We've landed at the new we've landed at the next beach in Brighton.
New location means one thing and one thing only. A brand new bottle of sake.
Thank you very much. To new vibes, good times for a long time.
Now, while Brighton was all fun and games, I did have to go on a journey all the way to the top of Scotland with Dara, Elliot and Lauren to visit Anthrax Island.
Are you good at driving?
Yes.
What do you mean?
I crashed my last one, but it's...
Are you kidding?
No.
Do you guys know about this?
No, it didn't. Choice.
He's the best driver I could find.
You didn't
say he was good.
That isn't funny. Wait, which car is yours?
My one's this one.
What? No way. I'm not going.
So you're a great driver.
Wait, I'm.
Funniest thing
No.
You're a brilliant driver. I've never seen anyone out drive sideways like that.
No.
It was 7 hours there and 7 hours back. And it was long. I did 1,000 miles that weekend, which is probably the most amount of miles I've ever done in any car, so you did good. Just so it turns out, I've had a delivery. Fresh black wheels.